Hello guys, it's me again. So today we have a new dish. We will name it Milkfish with Pesto sauce. So it's very delicious. First thing, I'm gonna marinate the fish first. So I'm gonna put a little bit salt. You can use your hand so you will balance. Okay, then we flip it. Then I have pesto sauce here. This one, it's pesto and olive oil and little bit garlic, little bit for taste, and salt. So we're gonna just marinate this one. So we will just put it here so we can marinate the back. So I'll just put it like this, facing each other. Then I will add here just get the other side marinated. Put in this side also. I will keep this one in the fridge, okay, for 20 minutes to absorb what we dip on. So we dip it in here, so it will absorb. Actually the color start to change of the fish because of the marinade. So here now we will prepare the vegetable for the fish. I have here butter, so I'm gonna put some butter. Put the vegetable. Reduce the heat. We saute the vegetable well. We put little bit pesto sauce. I have here some olive. I just cut it like this. We will add here. Cut it like this. Put little salt. The taste is very nice. The pesto, now the olive, and the vegetable taste, it's amazing. It's yummy. I wish guys you're gonna try it and you will give thumbs up, million of thumbs up, and million of subscribe. I would like to add some spring onion. I cut it like this. Keep the vegetable like little bit crunchy. Again, little bit oil and the pesto sauce. Then I have parsley here. I don't want to cut, I just want to make it like this. Reduce the heat. So I turn it off actually. Then I finish this. Then we are done for this one. See, still little bit hard for this one. Then we will put this one aside. Then we're gonna fry the fish. Okay, guys, as what you see, I just put it here. I don't want to clean this one because I need the sauce, I need the taste from the vegetable. Okay, then I will add butter, then I will fry the fish. Okay, it will absorb more the taste. I'm gonna add the butter. Here's the fish. You can see the color even change. So just put it. Just the heat. And this recipe actually I'm the one who created. Most of my recipe I just create things. I always want to come up with a new idea, with a new taste, with a new food, and for sure I tasted it first before I will just before I will shoot this one, I do it and I taste it. And some I don't taste, I just create on the spot. And I know the taste will be good, and some of the friends and visitors, they like it. They like what I make for them. You move it so it will not stick. What we see, it's the pesto. Now it's cooked. So We put it in the plate. Now I will make the sauce that I will put on top the fish. It will be pesto sauce, but with little white sauce. As what I said, the pesto sauce that I make and little white sauce. It's bechamel, and you know the base of bechamel. I make it in the previous video, how to make bechamel. But this one is pesto sauce. It's what we're gonna put on top the fish. Here we are done. Little bit thick. See how it's soft. Here is the fish ready in the plate. So gonna add the vegetables. So here the sauce. So much delicious actually. Can put on top this one. We put little touch . So here is the milkfish with pesto sauce. I hope you like it, and I hope you try it at home, and I hope you will subscribe and you'll give thumbs up. Guys, million thumbs up. Thank you so much, and see you for other video and for other creation.